Hi designers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will make a product design for orange juice. For this first, I will take a blank page with size of 1200px height and 1200px width with resolution of 300px. Now take a rectangle tool and make a shape. After that, I will select the blending option and then select gradient overlay. Now click on the radial option and adjust the color from the color palette. When everything goes fine, click OK. Now it's time to select an image of the orange juice. Now I will open an image from website, copy that image and paste it on the page. Now select the magic wand tool. Click on the white portion and press delete button to clear that. Now I will select the polygon lasso tool to clear the rest of unwanted white parts of the bottle. Now, I will take the other design elements of the design, like orange fruits, to manipulate the design. Now, whatever design I will take, that will create a new layer automatically. After bringing all the design elements to the Photoshop documents, it's time to arrange all the layer on the proper place so that design looks catchy. Now I will create shadows beneath all the layers. To make the shadows on every layers, follow the steps. I think all the yellowish background color is not looking good on the yellow product bottle. To change this yellowish background, I will select the yellow background, then go the blending options setting, and again change the yellow color to greenish. Now I will add some flying leaves on the top of the final design with some blur effect on some of the leaves, so that the main product image will be focused. Now we have the final product here. So, if you are a designer and want to make such kind of graphics for social media or print media, you can learn Photoshop gradually by following these simple steps. Thanks for watching my video. And if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Now I am working on another video, which will come soon. Until then, goodbye.